This facility characterization on the Stratton Building is brought to you by the Red Team. The Henry D. Stratton Building was constructed on Eastern Kentucky University's campus and dedicated in 1975. Over the years, the various threats towards EKU's campus and the Stratton Building in particular have evolved. In order to provide the most secure environment for students and faculty, it is necessary to conduct a facility characterization. The facility characterization provides the foundation for the risk assessment and includes identification of all the undesired events, facility description, identification of the critical assets requiring protection, and specification of the protection objectives for the security system.
Undesired events are main security concerns that range from catastrophic consequences to primarily nuisances or embarrassments. They are specific to the facility. They are associated with and vary depending on each facility needs and objectives. The undesired events at the Stratton Building include computer damage, active shooters, computer hacking, intoxicated individual, computer theft, bomb.
The Henry D. Stratton Building contains approximately 160,000 square feet of floor space on its 4 levels. The first floor contains the Justice and Safety Center along with the cafeteria. The second floor contains the hub, and the third floor contains the Learning Center, the Dean's Office, and the Posey Auditorium. The rest of the building consists of standard classrooms and offices. A parking lot resides in front of the building that is used mainly for commuter students and faculty members. The heating and ventilation cooling system is located on the roof of the building. The main hub for the Wi-Fi is located in the Perkins Building, adjacent to the Stratton Building, with the main backup being located in Manchester. Most of the communication systems are based off the Wi-Fi signal from this building, which is an all open source Wi-Fi that is easily acceptable to students and faculty.
The building's hours of operation are from 6 a.m. until 9 p.m. on weekdays, normally remaining closed on the weekends unless there is a specific event or activity planned at this facility. There are no interior or exterior cameras throughout the building except for in the Justice and Safety Center located on the first floor. Other than the standard fire alarms in place, there are no other alarms or sensors in the operation at this facility. The majority of the faculty members at this facility possess a key to the front door along with the custodians who have access to most of the doors rooms within the building. Most of the locks require a key, but there are 4 cipher locks that require codes to operate. The locks have not been changed in the past 20 years, and the faculty members are not required to return the keys once they leave their position. There are approximately 100 faculty and staff members that range from criminal justice to emergency medical response to homeland security disciplines. The main individuals using this building consist of students, professors, advisors, cafeteria staff, custodians, and maintenance personnel.
Protection objectives are site-specific, and they determine whether or not the current protection system performs to achieve objectives. The protection objectives include disruption of normal work operations, compromising the structural integrity of the building, compromise of the health and safety of the occupants, disabling or misusing the utilities, disabling or misusing the HVAC system, and disabling or misusing the emergency systems. The American Disabilities Act implements aspects such as ramps, elevators, and automated door systems to provide handicapped individuals access to the same resources as others.
Fire codes are implemented at this facility that include sprinkler systems, smoke detectors, manual fire alarms, and fire extinguishers that are strategically placed throughout the building. The critical assets include the cafeteria, 3 computer labs, the students and faculty, the 9/11 Memorial, mechanical systems to include the AC unit and electrical wiring, the mounted state trooper at the building, and the land it sits upon.
Disruption of normal work operations can include events such as internet disconnection, weather, burst pipes, etc. In order to protect these events from happening, system upgrades to the internet should ensure the strongest connection possible, and any maintenance to the system that must occur should occur outside of normal work hours. Protection of weather-related events, such as snow or flooding, could include clearing pathways, laying salt, and having barriers to protect the building. Stratton must be protected from a compromise of the structural integrity of the building. Protection of the structural integrity of the building can occur through making it more difficult to damage the structure. Protection can be established through reinforcing the structure of the building through updating the building with reinforced materials that will protect Stratton from natural and man-made disasters. The difficulty to access sensitive areas of the building should be increased through at least the minor application of locks to prevent the potential sabotage of the building.
A compromise to the health and safety of the occupants of the building is an aspect that must be protected at Stratton. In order to maintain the current health and safety of the faculty, students, and visitors, policies should be followed. There are policies and procedures specific to areas of office safety, classroom safety, food regulations, and maintenance safety should be closely followed. Disabling or misusing the utilities, disabling or misusing the HVAC, and disabling or misusing the emergency systems are three protection objectives where protection can be achieved through the use of similar protection methods. In the case of utilities, the HVAC and the emergency systems protection can be obtained through restricting access to the control systems, HVAC, and the emergency systems. In order for Stratton to operate normally or at all the ability for the utilities, HVAC and emergency systems must fully function. Another protective measure that should be implemented are cameras in the areas with the control systems for the utilities, the HVAC unit, and the controls for the emergency systems in order to monitor access. Thank you for your time.